A is for apple. It makes 4 sounds. A, R, or. A, R, or. B is for ball. It says B. C is for cat. It makes 2 sounds. K, S. D is for dog. It says D. E is for egg. It says E. F is for fish. It says 2 sounds. V. G is for guitar. It says 2 sounds. G, J. H is for horse. It says I is for iguana. It says 2 sounds. I. J is for jug. It says J. K is for kangaroo. It says K. L is for lamp. It says all. M is for map. It says N is for nut. It says N. O is for orange. It says O. P is for pig. It says Q is for quilt. It says Q. R is for rabbit. It says S is for sun. It says Z. T is for teddy. It says T. U is for umbrella. It makes 3 sounds. U, O. V is for violin. It says V. W for watermelon. It says W. X is for xylophone or X-ray. It says X. Y is for yacht. It says Y, I. Z is for zebra. It says Z. How did you go?